Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of luxury travel but thought it was way out of your budget, I've got some exciting news for you. Today, I'm going to let you in on my top secrets to make luxury travel affordable. Yes, it's possible. Whether you want to relax in a 5-star resort, fly first class, or enjoy private tours without spending a fortune, these tips are going to change how you travel. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive in. First up, flexibility is key. Whether it's your travel dates or your destination, being flexible can save you tons of money. Using tools like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Kayak's Explore feature, you can search for the best deals by looking at different dates or even different cities. For example, flying to Europe in September can be half the price compared to July or August, and traveling on a Tuesday instead of a Friday can make a huge difference. I like to plan trips in the shoulder season. It's right between peak season and low season. Think late spring or early fall. You'll still get great weather and fewer crowds, but at a fraction of the cost. Plus, many luxury hotels drop their rates during this time. Flexibility is your best friend when it comes to finding those luxury deals. Tip number 2 is all about loyalty programs. If you aren't signed up for airline and hotel loyalty programs yet, do it today. It's free, and those points can turn into big rewards. Over time, they can get you free flights, free hotel nights, or amazing upgrades like business or first class, and even access to VIP lounges. Also, credit cards that are geared towards travel can really accelerate how quickly you earn points. Some cards offer huge sign-up bonuses, like 50,000 points or more. When you meet a certain spending threshold, you can use those points to book luxury stays or upgrade your flights without paying the hefty price. One last point on this. If you have status with airlines or hotels, always ask if there are additional perks when you check in. Sometimes just having a loyalty membership can get you free upgrades without using points. Tip number 3, stay on the lookout for flash sales and last-minute deals. Hotels and airlines often drop their prices just to fill up empty rooms or seats, and that's where you can score. Apps like Hotel Tonight are perfect for finding discounted luxury stays if you're booking within a day or two of your trip. And for flights, check Secret Flying and the Flight Deal. They often post crazy low fares on business class. For example, I once scored a last-minute stay at a 5-star resort in Bali for 60% off using one of these apps. I know it sounds a little risky, but if you're open to spontaneous trips or you just love the thrill of a good deal, last-minute bookings can really pay off. Next up, let's talk about accommodation. Many people think all-inclusive resorts are way out of their price range, but when you calculate everything, meals, drinks, activities, and even airport transfers, they can actually be incredible value. I've stayed at luxury all-inclusives for around $300 per night, which is a steal considering you get unlimited gourmet food, premium drinks, and access to all the resort's amenities. Another option is boutique hotels. These smaller, independent properties often offer a more personalized experience for much less than a big-name luxury chain. Plus, many boutique hotels include complimentary extras like breakfast or airport transfers, so you're still getting a luxurious experience without overspending. Tip number 5, look beyond the typical luxury destinations like Paris or the Maldives. Instead, consider emerging destinations or less touristy regions. Southeast Asia is a perfect example. You can stay in luxury villas in Bali or Thailand for a fraction of what you'd pay in the Caribbean. Or Eastern Europe, where you can find 5-star hotels in cities like Budapest or Prague at a much lower price than in Western Europe. Mexico is another gem. If you venture beyond the big resort towns like Cancun, you'll find beautiful boutique hotels and all-inclusive resorts that cater to a more high-end crowd, but at much lower prices than the popular spots. Tip number 6 is super simple but so effective. Always book directly through the hotel's website and don't be afraid to ask for upgrades. Many hotels offer perks when you book directly, like free breakfast room upgrades or resort credits. Plus, it never hurts to ask for an upgrade when you check in. If the hotel has availability, they might just bump you up for free. I always make sure to ask for a complimentary upgrade when I arrive, especially if I'm celebrating something like a birthday or anniversary. Being friendly and polite goes a long way. Finally, tip number 7. Take advantage of local experiences. Many places offer luxurious tours and experiences at a fraction of the price if you book directly with a local guide or provider. Websites like Viator or Get Your Guide often have deals on luxury experiences, from private yacht charters to exclusive wine tastings, and these can elevate your trip without costing a fortune. And always ask the locals. They often know the best, lesser-known experiences that aren't listed in guidebooks and might even be more affordable than the usual tourist traps. Now you're armed with all the secrets to affordable luxury travel. With these tips, you can treat yourself to incredible destinations and experiences without overspending. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more travel hacks, and drop a comment below with your favorite luxury travel tips. Until next time, safe travels, and remember, luxury doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag.